Welcome to the future of the premium electric SUV. This is the all-new Mercedes-Benz GLC 404matic with EQ technology. Combining performance and sustainability, it delivers 360 kilowatts of power, a top speed of 210 kilometers per hour, and an impressive WLTP range of up to 713 kilometers. Built on an 800-volt architecture and utilizing in-house developed electric drivetrains, this GLC achieves remarkable efficiency, with 93% of energy making it from battery to wheel. The exterior blends timeless elegance with digital sophistication. A reimagined iconic grille features 942 LED points, creating an illuminated centerpiece complemented by the optional high-tech digital light headlamps. Inside, the design follows the sensual purity philosophy. Dominating the dashboard is the seamless 99.3 centimeter MBUX Hyperscreen, merging analog craftsmanship with digital intelligence. New AGR certified seats are designed for long-distance comfort and feature upholstery options like sustainable man-made leather and microcut microfiber. Mercedes-Benz also offers its first-ever vegan certified interior package, demonstrating a true commitment to ethical luxury. Comfort and driving dynamics take a major step forward. The aromatic air suspension and rear-axle steering transform the ride, reducing the turning circle by 90 centimeters for improved maneuverability. The suspension system is proactive, adjusting automatically via car-to-X communication, which allows the vehicle to anticipate road conditions based on data shared by other Mercedes vehicles. The driver controls benefit from a redesigned steering wheel, which reintroduces tactile rocker and roller controls for more intuitive physical operation. Braking performance is exceptional thanks to a one-box system that enables up to 300 kilowatts of recuperation power, making smooth one-pedal driving possible. Charging is lightning fast. With 330 kilowatt DC charging, the 800-volt architecture can replenish up to 303 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes. This is all managed by MB Charge, a global digital ecosystem that supports plug and charge, station reservation, green charging, and is ready for future bidirectional charging for vehicle-to-home use. At the core of the digital experience is the fourth-generation MBUX system, powered by the MBOS, designed to evolve like a smartphone. The Hyperscreen uses Unity game engine graphics for fluid, intuitive operation on its zero-layer interface. The MBUX virtual assistant is a human-like conversational companion. Utilizing a multi-agent approach, it pulls information from multiple AI sources simultaneously, including ChatGPT-40 and Google Cloud's automotive AI agent for navigation. The interior is cinematic. The Sky Control panoramic roof uses PDLC technology to switch from transparent to opaque and features 162 individually illuminated stars that glow in a 64-color ambient light spectrum. The energizing comfort system turns travel into a rejuvenating experience, offering wellness features like massage, ambient sound, and lighting modes through the MBUX Hyperscreen. Safety systems are grouped under the MB Drive suite, ranging from level to autonomy with MB Drive Assist to MB Drive Assist Pro, which enables point-to-point automated driving in certain markets. Core safety includes pre-safe and a center airbag within a rigid passenger cell. Furthermore, the multi-source heat pump ensures optimal cabin climate control with minimal energy use, even in winter conditions. In essence, the new Mercedes-Benz GLC seamlessly integrates cutting-edge electric efficiency, luxurious seating comfort, and highly advanced digital connectivity. It is more than just an SUV. It's an intelligent, adaptive companion that redefines the premium electric experience for a new era of mobility.